In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fill out a PDF document on a computer free. Let's begin. So you're going to have to open up Adobe Acrobat and you're going to look for the PDF that you want to sign and add details. So here it is. Simply just drag it and drop it into the application and then it's going to open. Afterwards, go to the left side and look for something which says fill and sign. So where it says fill and sign yourself, you're going to see that this option has already been selected, which says fill in form fields. So if we go back to our documents, you're going to see that our cursor is going to change and it's going to show these two letters which say AB. So simply just click on the area that you want to type, then type in whatever you want. You can change the size, make it bigger or smaller. Then move on to the other area, simply click, then add in some other details. Then you can add in the phone number. Then once you're done, you can just head over to the area where you want to add in some checkboxes, then go back to the left side and look for something which says add a cross mark or add a check mark. So if you select it, you can just simply click and it's going to add the check mark for you. But if you don't want to use the check marks, then you can just go back and use the crosses and simply place them in the block. Then if you want to add in an image, simply select this little icon which says e-sign and then choose add initials, then go to the section where it says image on the right side. So once you've chosen your image, select open and select apply. Then just choose whichever location that you want to use it. I'm going to put it there and you can simply just drag it and make it bigger. Now, if you want to save it, go to the top left and select menu and then choose save as. And you're going to be asked to look for a location where you want to save the document. I'm going to save it in pictures and leave it as Adobe PDF files. And then you can also change the name. Once you're happy, select save. So if we open the document again, you'll notice that our changes are going to be saved. So the name is Jacob, date of birth, and then the email is there. And then the checkboxes in which we added some changes, such as the check mark or the crosses, have been added, and then our image. And it's that simple. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.